Hey everybody, welcome back to my GrowLikeAPro YouTube channel. Today's date is May the 28th, 2018, and yesterday I planted a bunch of my little plants that you've seen in previous videos, and I thought I would just give you a little overview of the garden here, or one of the gardens. I have a bunch of other gardens that I haven't started yet. I haven't tilled them. I'm going to do that this week, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of video here. These here are potato plants, and since I had them in containers, you can see that some of them really aren't doing very well. The upper part looks good. Here you can see a little bit of probably because they were sitting in the pots and the pots were a little bit too wet. Tomatoes that we started off from seeds in some of my videos. So we've got one there. You can see these were just planted yesterday, and I've already got flowers happening here. There's another one. On this one here, you can see there's a little tomato right in there, which I only realized yesterday when I was planting. So there we have that. And then we've got cabbage, and I do have a video where I was showing you the germination of the seeds for the cabbage. So there we have cabbage. I did start off some basil from seeds last week. This one here is store-bought, and I am going to be cloning this one here to get a few more plants growing. And then, so this one here I didn't actually film on camera, I don't believe. These are some type of Asian peppers. But these here, these are all from fresh seeds from Costco. And I do have videos on that where we took the fresh seeds from peppers that I had purchased at Costco, opened it up, took the seeds, and here we have some really nice success going on. You can see them all here. So a really fast video for today. That's it, and I'll catch you on the next one.